The benefits of blue light filters for monitor users. Title: The benefits of blue light filters for monitor users. Introduction, 150 words. In today's digital world, where screens are an essential part of our daily lives, the impact of prolonged screen time on our health and well-being is a growing concern. One significant concern is the exposure to blue light emitted by screens, which can lead to eye strain, disrupted sleep patterns, and even potential long-term damage to our eyes. To address these issues, blue light filters have gained popularity as a practical solution for reducing the harmful effects of blue light. In this article, we will explore the benefits of blue light filters for monitor users, shedding light on how HESA filters work and the positive impact they can have on our overall health. 1. Understanding blue light, 200 words. Before delving into the benefits of blue light filters, it's essential to understand what blue light is and where it comes from. Blue light is part of the visible light spectrum, and it has a shorter wavelength and higher energy compared to other colors. 2. Effects of blue light on health, 250 words. Prolonged exposure to blue light can have detrimental effects on our health. One of the most prominent issues is eye strain, which can cause discomfort, dryness, and even headaches. Blue light can also disrupt our body's natural sleep patterns, leading to difficulties falling asleep and poor quality of sleep. In addition, studies have suggested that excessive blue light exposure may increase the risk of long-term eye conditions, such as macular degeneration. 3. How blue light filters work, 200 words. Blue light filters are specially designed software or hardware solutions that aim to reduce the amount of blue light reaching our eyes. These filters work by selectively blocking or filtering out the blue light emitted by screens, while still allowing other colors to pass through. They can be implemented through various methods, including software applications, screen protectors, or even built-in functions in devices' operating systems. 4. Benefits of blue light filters, 400 words. A. Reduced eye strain. By limiting blue light exposure, filters help alleviate eye strain symptoms, such as dry eyes, redness, and irritation. Filtering out blue light can enhance visual comfort during extended screen use, leading to improved productivity and reduced discomfort. B. Improved sleep quality. Blue light has been shown to interfere with the production of melatonin, the hormone that regulates our sleep-wake cycle. By blocking blue light in the evening, especially in the hours before bedtime, filters can help promote better sleep quality, making it easier to fall asleep and enjoy a more restful night. C. Protection against eye damage. Excessive blue light exposure has been linked to the risk of developing certain eye conditions, particularly macular degeneration. By reducing blue light, filters provide added protection against such health concerns, especially for individuals exposed to screens for prolonged periods. D. Enhanced visual clarity. Blue light filters can improve the perception of colors and contrast, making it easier to view content on screens without straining the eyes. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals who work in graphic design, photo editing, or any field that requires accurate color representation. Preventive measures for children. Considering the increasing screen time exposure for children, blue light filters can play a vital role in protecting their eyes. By incorporating filters into the ear devices, parents can help reduce any potential long-term effects of blue light exposure and ensure healthy visual development for their children. 5. Choosing the right blue light filter. 300 words. With the growing demand for blue light filters, there is a wide range of options available in the market. When selecting a blue light filter, it is essential to consider several factors to ensure effectiveness and compatibility with your devices. Filter type. Blue light filters can be broadly divided into two categories: software filters and hardware filters. Software filters are applications or settings that can be installed on your device. While hardware filters include screen protectors or glasses with built-in blue light blocking technology. Consider your preferences and requirements to determine which type suits you best. Compatibility. Ensure that the blue light filter you choose is compatible with the device or devices you frequently use. Some software filters may not support all operating systems, while hardware filters may vary in size and compatibility with different screen sizes. Ease of use. Look for filters that are easy to install and use. Software filters typically require a simple installation process, while hardware filters may need to be attached or adjusted on your screen. Choose a filter that provides clear instructions and does not interfere with the usability of your device. Filter strength. Different filters offer varying levels of blue light reduction. Some filters provide a gentle reduction, while others offer more intensive blocking. Assess your specific needs, including the amount of time you spend in front of screens and any pre-existing eye conditions, to determine the appropriate strength for your blue light filter. Reviews and recommendations. Consider reading reviews and seeking recommendations from trusted sources or other users who have experience with different blue light filters. This can help you gauge the effectiveness and reliability of various options before making a purchase.